Welcome to Naga City in Camarines Sur and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. As pointed out by Professor Danilo M. Herona, a local historian, Naga traces its prehistory to a flourishing village off the riverbanks of the Naga River, with sophisticated weaponry and advanced technologies. The name Naga derived its origin from the Nara trees, which were then in abundance. The pre-colonial history of Naga is steeped in the rich heritage of the indigenous people who have inhabited the area for centuries. The Bicolanos continue to be known for their distinct culture, language, and tradition. When visiting Naga, it's hard not to notice Mount Isarog, a prominent and revered landmark in the Bicol region. Legend has it that Mount Isarog was once home to a powerful and benevolent deity or diwata named Isarog. Isarog was known for her kindness and generosity, especially towards the people living in the region. She was considered a guardian spirit watching over the land and its inhabitants. One popular version of the legend tells the story of a poor farmer who was struggling to provide for his family. Facing a severe drought that affected their crops, the farmer and his family prayed to Isarog for help. Touched by their sincerity and need, Isarog responded by causing a spring to emerge on the mountainside, providing the community with a source of fresh water even during dry seasons. As a token of gratitude and respect, the people of the region began to worship and honor Mount Isarog as a sacred place. They believed that the mountain was not just a physical presence, but a manifestation of the benevolent spirit that had brought them the relief and sustenance. In some variations of the legend, Mount Isarog is also associated with other supernatural beings, like fairies and mythical creatures, who are said to inhabit the mountain's lush forests. These beings are believed to play a role in maintaining the ecological balance of the area and protecting it from harm. Pre-colonial societies in the Bicol region predominantly engaged in agriculture, fishing, and trade. Communities engaged in the cultivation of crops such as rice, root crops, and various vegetables. Trade networks existed, allowing for the exchange of goods between communities. The social structure of pre-colonial societies in Naga involved extended families or clans. Leadership roles were often held by respected individuals or elders within the community. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions in pre-colonial Naga was primarily done through oral means. Elders played a crucial role in passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. The arrival of the Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Naga and the Philippines as a whole. It was in 1573 when the Spanish troops first arrived in the present-day Naga, led by Captain Juan de Salcedo. In 1574, Captain Pedro de Chavez founded Ciudad de Nueva Caceres in honor of Don Francisco de Sande, then governor of the province and a local of the city of Caceres in Spain. Naga, the premier local village, and then a Spanish pueblo, formed part of the Spanish colonial city. In time, the Spanish city and local village merged into one community and became popularly known as Nueva Caceres, to distinguish it from its namesake in Spain. It had a city government as prescribed by Spanish law, with an ayuntamiento or cabildo, or council of its own. With the advent of American rule, it was reduced to a municipality. In 1919, it lost its Spanish name, and by law, it became officially known as Naga. Today, positioned strategically at the core of Bicol, Naga stands as the commercial and industrial hub of the region. It is also recognized as the cultural focal point of Bicol, with Naga hosting the region's most significant annual festival, the Peña Francia Festival.